Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Hey, Catalin, Sebastian, Andrei, Robert, and everyone. Well, not too many things changed from yesterday on Bitcoin on daily. Yeah, we are fighting that level. We are fighting 61.8 short. I think we'll take the liquidity. More than that, I don't know. I see that the market is still holding. I see altcoin making daily and weekly Ws, which is really nice. Even if we'll not pump, I don't know, next 2 weeks, but it's good to see that altcoins are showing some strength. That will help us a little bit. Well, everything is nice and clean on YouTube, sound and everything. Yeah, let's hope so. Morning, Tolga. A lot of people are bearish here, but I don't think it's the case to be bearish. Yeah, we are at the top of this range, but I don't see enough signs to think short. Like I said 2 days ago, yesterday. So I don't think we have enough signs to, well, we'll go back down. Maybe, but give me an YAM. I don't see that YAM. On daily basis, I don't know, maybe a bit lower time frame, we can, in an event or something, or a report, we can go back and retest 60k. Pretty easily, pretty fast. But that doesn't make this price action bearish. No bearish divergence on RSI, no bearish divergence on OBV. At least not yet. So, indeed, usually when we reach an area like this, if you look left, yeah, we can consolidate and stay a longer period of time, and people will get mad here because they'll try to anticipate here a breakout. We'll put a tight stop loss here, market will go back down, up and down, and they'll stop them out without doing anything actually. So don't be that kind of people trying to anticipate a breakout and put your stop loss really tight. Ethereum, well, we can see still above 2,500. If we'll form a base there, okay, we can say that we'll stay above that level, but I don't see anything special on Ethereum for the moment. It's still a bit weaker than Bitcoin. Nothing changed on Ethereum on daily. Indicators, no, similar like Bitcoin, no bearish divergence for the moment. What I see nice, it's Bitcoin dominance. Doesn't want to bounce back. It's back in this range. Yeah, we have support here. Pretty nice support, but market doesn't want to bounce from that level. Let's wait and see. I'm waiting for a bounce. And if I'll see a bounce, then here in the middle of this V top, then I could anticipate a move from altcoins. But sometimes the market will go straight down. Doesn't necessarily needs to give me a clear YAM. We have an ugly YAM here if you put the line chart. Yeah, ugly one. Kind of head and shoulder YAM here. It's enough for the market to push down? Well, I don't know about that. Anyway, let's see. Long reload zone is all the way down here at 55.5. So we can go straight down there. Level by level thinking, we should expect a bounce or to stay here at 57 and bounce or consolidate and then push lower. We'll see. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, still V bottom here, nothing changed. If I'll see long reload zone and if I'll see a W, similar like yesterday. Yeah. So if I'll see the W here, I could consider, okay, maybe we have a chance. For the moment here, dead cat bounce, yeah, everyone is getting excited at a bounce like this, but a V bottom or a V top usually gets retested. Well, similar we had here. Yeah? Bounce. Well, yeah, Ethereum will outperform. Look what happened. Again here. Well, look at this bounce. Strong, really strong. Look what happened. So give me something else for me to believe that this one will stop trending down. DXY is still fighting at 100 level, nice and clean. And the rest of the total market cap, they are just doing the same like Bitcoin. What I want to see here, if we'll make a W the other side of this trend line, downtrend channel and so on. You can see we are pretty close to accept above this level, which will confirm a big W. Yeah? So total 3 doesn't look bad. It's all I'm saying. The rest, well, is not up to us. We are here to find a setup, to find a good idea, and then put some money in. We are not here to predict the market or to move the market or to do anything else. No. Our job is to find the setup and play it. Simple as that. Seems like the YouTube is a bit behind. I don't know why. Seems like it. Man, anyway. I hope that will recover and everything will be clean. Okay, so that's the overview. Not too many things to say from 2 days ago, from yesterday. Pretty similar levels, similar ideas. I'll change my opinion when I'll see something else in the market. Until then, I'll stay the same. Let's just say that. On the day trading part, swing trading kind of idea, well, I'm still in this trade. And now you can see, well, we reached 2 to 1. Okay, we got back at the entry because we closed 50% at 1 to 1. We are still in the trade. We had this one at the SFU. We never touched that one. Well, I'll let the market do its thing and I'll just patiently wait here. No? Patiently wait. If you want to day trade on lower time frame, okay, you can draw a short reload zone from this high to this low and play around. It's possible. Okay, take this high, take this low, and you can see short reload zone is here. If you see an M, you can play it if you want. But the win rate here in general is not the best one. We have here, we tested 2 times, so we can get ugly volatility here. It's better to wait for an SFU, for example. So it's up to you if you want to short here. Market is pretty strong, but you can find the setup here in this area. Here where we are now at the market price, nothing you can do. We are exactly in the dead spot, in the area where you don't want to trade. Let's wait for the market to bounce. If you are lower time frame, you can even try to see an SFU here. Here, maybe you get a rejection close below and you can play something. And if not, short reload zone. And the best level we can think about SFU hunting short is not this one. This one is the best. No? Watch, see what happens when we'll touch this level. If we'll touch this level. Anything else? I don't see. I see a range here. I see a new range forming and we can play around in this area. Let's go on for our chart. Yesterday we framed some setups. Let's see, maybe we can find something new. Well, nothing we can do on IEVO. We are long on higher time frame. Let's keep it that way. Alt, nothing happened from yesterday. You can see we adjusted the long reload zone and this was everything from yesterday. Ethereum here, we are short and we should stay short. It's kind of like a hedge. Let's just keep the trade. It's in profit. Don't bother that one. CRV, if you remember, we have a bot setup here. It's still at entry, but nothing new here. Dimension, we had that bot setup. If you remember, we said, well, I could see an AB equals CD here, but not too many things changed from yesterday. We are still here at the entry. We had the entry at least. At least we have the entry at 25. So who wanted to take that trade should be in the trade. What I don't like here, I didn't like here now, I could see the third low. We had 1, 2 lows. Now we have the third one. So it's okay to think long here. Market, it's at entry. The rest is up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. E-gold, it's slowly pushing higher. Never managed to get my entry back. I was stopped out because I did a mistake and I moved my stop to scratch too early. And now I cannot get a new entry here. Well, I'll wait. Fed is all over the place, but I don't want to trade this one here. It's strong, but nothing for me. ING, like I said, it's strong. Don't close everything. We can push a lot higher. Now, we took the liquidity here. Finally, we tried once, twice. Now we are trying to close above. And then we have liquidity a lot higher and higher and higher and higher. Yeah. So if I got my entry here, I made a nice profit. Let's keep a moon bag. Let's call it that way. Yeah. I don't want to short here. I don't want to do anything. You can see OBV is still strong. We had some bearish divergence on MACD, but MACD will give you bearish divergence. For example, here, yeah, you can see bearish divergence on MACD, bearish divergence even on RSI. So what? Market W out and push higher. That's why we need location. That's why we need multiple reasons to take the trade. A bearish divergence by itself is nothing. It's just a tell that maybe the market is not so strong or not so weak as you can see on the chart. That's all. You need more different reasons to take a trade. Who's taking trades only based on divergence on indicators? Well, in my opinion, is doing it wrong. Manta, well, you can see it's pushing higher. No new setup here. I'm not chasing market here. Yeah, we have bags and we'll be more than happy to see the market pumping, but I'm not chasing here. The only way I could chase this one is Holy Grail. We have bags on most of them and we should be more than happy to see the market pumping. Pixel, similar. Byte, 1 second, similar. Solana, we discussed about a bot setup here yesterday. A, B, C, D. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, up, retest of the W. Well, that was the perfect entry, guys. I don't know how to say it better than that. If you want to take some setups, I'm presenting setups, but I'll never come to your house, open your computer and put the trade on. Now you have to, if you want to trade, you have to have a plan. And you have to have a good risk management, how much you'll risk on every trade. Ideas, well, you can join us for ideas, not to copy trade us, but for ideas, to give you some, well, look there for a setup, look there for a setup. That's the advantage to have a community, not to copy trade. Well, I'll copy trade Paul. It's almost impossible to copy trade. It's not impossible, but why you should do that when you can make your own plan? And let's say I'll look at what Paul and Stefan is posting and I'll select my setups and I'll trade. A community is made to give you an easy job to find setups, to find news, to stay informed. Yeah? Like 1 + 1 equals 10. Yeah? When 10 people are looking at the market, everyone will have more ideas. This was the trade on Solana. Now it's above the entry. Don't chase. No, don't chase. I'll know if this one has more chances to succeed if we'll accept above this level, and then we can push higher. Ton. Well, AB equals CD. I could see this one being like a cup and handle. Look at this one. If you'll break out and will accept above, could push a lot higher. Look at this candle. Huh? Could push to that level. You have a 2 to 1 until this level. I don't know, depending how you frame your setup. Wait for a breakout and a retest, maybe. Who knows? I still think that this one needs more correction, but who am I to tell the market what to do? So I could see the market here doing AB equals CD. Up to you. Doji, it's in the long reload zone officially at 61.8. You want to take some to buy a little bit, it's up to you. Doge, we are in profit, you can see, and Doge is pushing higher. That's nice. Nice to see that the trade is working. This trade, I think it's, if I remember correctly, I posted on $500 challenge even. Another nice way to see what I'm trading. Saga, if you remember, I said something about Saga, yeah? All over the place. And indeed, it's all over the place. Well, and now we are still in the middle of the megaphone here. You can see we are consolidating. And look left, you can see we consolidated multiple candles here. To trade here, I think not. Tao, well, Tao, let's see if we'll form a top here. Or could rest a little bit and push higher. To chase Tao here, no. We had Tao at $200 even for a short period of time below 200. To chase it here at almost $600, no. We have some Tao. I hope everyone has some. But I don't think it's a good idea to chase. I'm not saying this one could not keep pushing higher. Yeah, it could, but I'm not chasing a market. But a really nice thing here is ES. Just look at it. Not to trade. I'm not trading this one. If you want to trade, it's up to you. But it's making new highs. New all-time highs here. So, me being bearish on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins when ES is fucking pushing is making all-time highs every day, I have to be stupid. Just look at this one. Look at it. If I'll see reversal, if I'll see EMs, okay, I could think correction in Bitcoin and crypto. But until then, no. If ES is pushing higher and higher, even if Bitcoin is not bullish, ES will drag Bitcoin up slowly. So I'm not too eager to even think about short ideas, guys. I know on scalping level is possible. You can still make some money. But more than that, no. Don't even think short. After all, we are almost October 2024. And we should anticipate an exponential move to the upside, not to hunt short ideas. Huh? Because that exponential move will not be easy to see. You will see it afterwards. And you will not be will not be easy to trade if you are not in before and you don't have a plan. Well, I'm planning to stay the fuck in the trade until 10x or something. You will be tempted to sell a lot early because last 3 years you had a different problem. You bought something, you got a double, and then the market goes back down at the original place. And you feel some frustration. You said, well, fuck it, why I didn't sell at the time? And now you'll be tempted to do the same because of the fear. And the market will keep pushing higher and higher and higher. And then will retrace 50%, which will put more pressure on you. And then will pump 200%. If you want to see how an exponential move is behaving, just go back and replay. Now you have the replay button on trading view. You can use that one. Well, give me some requests if you have some. We still have 10 minutes to play around. On Holy Grail. Well, like I said, Holy Grail is going... altcoins pumped and now they are going sideways on 5-15 minute charts. So I don't see too many things. I could see some of them, the strong ones, you can see starting to push higher, but you have to go on 15 minute chart, for example, to get a better grip on the trend. You can see 15 minute chart looks better. So wait for a 15 minute entry. Why not? Yeah, similar here. You can see 50-minute chart is looking better, even on the strong ones. Yeah, is the trend. You can see the trend better on 50 minutes, and after that you'll see it better on 1 hour and so on. Yeah. So if you want to trade with Holy Grail, you are a premium member, more than welcome to start trading with Holy Grail. We have an offer, 1 year plus 3 months bonus for premium. So if you want to join, now is the time. The offer will be over at the end of the month. And Holy Grail, which is a really nice tool to use in a bull market or in an uptrend or in any trend, it's a bonus for a premium membership. So you'll have access on Holy Grail. It's up to you guys. I'm not here to shield you. Well, join premium. Or if you are a trader, if you are a swing trader, you should join premium. If you are just an investor, well, I think the free part it's acceptable. But if you are a swing trader and you want ideas and you want to see how we are trading the market and live stream with us, well, then join premium. Okay, let's look at FET. I think I looked at FET a little bit. No? I just did that. I could look at FET from a different perspective, from a daily perspective and weekly. Huh? Why not? Let's take a look at FET. A request is a request. Let's respect that. Well, you can see what I see here. We managed to reach the long reload zone. We didn't do a weekly W in the long reload zone, but we have a weekly W, which it's pretty strong. I'll be honest. Yeah, this is a weekly W and it's strong. I'll chase the market? No, sorry, no. I have a position and I'm okay to see the W here. And if this one wants to go straight up to $100, I'll be more than happy to sell some. But you can see this level. We retested, Wyckoff checked this level, textbook one here. Who wanted to take the trade below $1 because we discussed it. Dollar cost average or buy FET below $1. And we had 1, 2, almost 3 weeks here below $1 who managed to get something, to buy some. Now it's more than happy. You have a double from this level. You can see 80 cents, 1.6. I will chase here now for an entry. No, because this could be just a fake out and go back here and consolidate. Yeah, people are still believing that this one will pump straight up. That's why the price is holding. But if narrative will change and this one will not pump will not have a pump, people will get bored and will sell. If you want to play trend lines and you want to play LJ setups, well, you can see the trend line, valid one. Just wait for a W the other side. Yeah, it was a perfect shark there. And we discussed that at that point in time. Well, let's buy FET below $1. And we had that level. I said buy it with little old lady or dollar cost average. I did a dollar cost average there. For trading, I was waiting for lower levels, I'll be honest. And I kind of missed to trade. But on the investment part, it's a separate plan. Dollar cost average is separate, so I'll just go and buy. So now, if you want even for, don't chase here, draw a long reload zone from this low to this high and wait in the long reload zone or wait for a W the other side of the trend line. So if you'll see something like this, that will be nice. That will be the ideal scenario for a FET. Who knows what will happen? I don't know. On daily, I'll go on daily. Daily, don't chase. Here you can see resistance, support and resistance level at 1.8, $2. You don't have the risk to reward. What you can do here is just take the high, take the low, Play the long reload zone. Maybe pump chaser zone here. Yeah, before the long reload zone, you can play the pump chaser zone here because it's strong. You can see here, look left, support. Wait here for a W on a daily basis. That doesn't mean you cannot pump all the way up without us. If you want to chase it, well, okay. Take Holy Grail, go on 5-15 minute chart and hunt entries. Yeah? That could be a really nice risk to reward. But you have to play with Holy Grail on lower time frame. I'll activate the Holy Grail and I'll put the 1 hour first. Let's see. Well, there you go. Just look at Holy Grail. Up, up, up. Let's see 15 minute chart if you have something for the moment. Well, no. You had a really nice move and now let's close the ink. We had some move up. Now you should wait for the next one. Wait for the market to break above this level and then at the retest you'll have a nice Holy Grail. And you can see in the past, if you followed Holy Grail and you took the entry here or here or here, you made some nice money. Okay, let's go back on daily here on this template. So that's my thinking on Fed. Don't chase it. Wait a little bit. Could push higher, but will push in the resistance. If we'll give back $1, if you'll see $1 with any reason, if you'll see $1 again, you can safely buy it. Okay, so that's the Fed one. Like I said, 50-minute chart, Holy Grail, you can find some nice. And the good thing about 50-minute chart is that it's not hard to trade. For example, let's just assume that you take this trade. You took this one. And you put your stop loss here. Let's just play a game here. Yeah? Okay. Well, this is in the morning. Then you can see you'll stay in the trade here, even now. And you can see you don't have to do anything. You took the trade and you are just trailing. From time to time, you can see. From time to time, you have to adjust your stop loss and just move the stop loss higher and higher and higher. But it's easy. It's once every 4-8 hours to do that. So it's easy to manage the trade. Not hard. Yeah? Similar here. If you played on 50-minute chart and you took this entry, well, nothing to do more than that. Just move your stop loss from time to time to the upside. 5-minute chart, it's okay, but you can you'll have to look at the market every hour, for example, to adjust things. But on 50-minute chart, every 4 hours, 8 hours is more than enough. Work with hard stop losses. Don't fuck around, because if you are using leverage, you should have a hard stop loss in the market. But it's easy to manage the trades. Really easy. So if you want to play around, well, we have some uptrends, let's play with Holy Grail. Well, easy to do that. Well, guys, I don't see requests. Yesterday we had more requests, but I'll tell you something. Go and look at the weekly time frame on most of the altcoins. We have or we are starting to have weekly Ws, which is really nice. Not everything has a weekly W, but the potential is there. If you are a weekly guy who wants only to little old lady dollar cost average, pay attention, because it's your time. If you are a day trader, swing trader, for a swing trader maybe some prices are too high, but pay attention on the bot setups, continuation. You can use, for example, Holy Grail on 15-30 minute chart to trade with them. If you are a day trader, you can fuck around up and down all day long. Huh? Well, if I don't see more requests, if I don't see anything in the chat, let's call it a live stream. Today should be pretty interesting and movement in the market. I'll hunt specifically Bitcoin here on lower time frame. I still like this range here, so I'll go on 5-50 minute chart and I'll try to find something. And it's always a setup somewhere. And you can see here, if I'll take this high, this low, this will be a short reload zone here. I could play around with that, or I could wait for a retracement and hunt a long idea. We'll see. But that's a different story. That's for VIP guys, that's for day traders, not for this live stream. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.